think there was a story you told Tara about a leukemia case with 14 defendants, and that's where the issue coding really came into play here and really shined.
But
Um,
one of the things we did there that was really helpful. Anybody who's tried a jury case knows that you have to, whatever deposition designations you're going to use, you have to file a pleading with those designations. And what everybody does is they get a PDF copy of the deposition. They'll highlight the terms that they're going to use. They'll put a chart together. It's like page this to line this to page that, line that, and they'll submit that to the court. Well, what I decided one time, I thought, wait a minute, I can do my depot designation as an issue. And you can code that. And all you have to do, really, is look at a transcript and say from here to here, you just press on the two different, from the beginning to the end, and you can code it. And I don't have it for here, so bam. And so now that is coded to the deposition designation, okay? And so later on, when you're done there, you can do a report of all your designations. And you can do them by the plaintiff's deposition designation, defendant 1, defendant 2, and you can print out the report. See if I can do a real fast one. And so that's just that little area, that one place that I did designate it. And so all your designations are going to be in this organized, attractive report, and you just print that out, and then you attach that to your filing with the judge. And so it's easy. And it's easy when you get the designations from the other side to get there, code it instead of claimant. You could do respondent or defendant or whoever. And then that way you've got a very simple way. Plus, as you travel, as you do anything, obviously this is all portable as opposed to taking banker's boxes with you different places. So it just makes it a lot simpler, a lot cleaner. And it's an easier way to do those designations.